In the previous video, we embarked on the important subject of using Python methods. To be precise, we introduced several Pandas methods. In this lecture, we will continue our coding journey. Before we do that, let's pause for a minute to develop an intuition about what kind of methods exist in Pandas and why. First, remember that Pandas is a library, which steps on the computational abilities of NumPy. That's why one part of the methods in Pandas are NumPy-based and can be considered mathematical. Sum, min, max, IDX-min, and IDX-max are examples of such methods. If you wonder why identical mathematical methods would exist in two separate libraries of the same language, think of the following. If we can be certain that our dataset contains numeric data only, we'll most probably use NumPy and its methods because of the computational abilities of NumPy. However, you know that you will have to work with datasets containing both numeric and non-numeric data. Then, storing the data in a Pandas series or a data frame object will set the ground for good analyses. Fortunately, because of the duplication we mentioned, if you happen to be in this scenario, Pandas won't deprive you of certain mathematical operations when you need them. Great! If we have mathematical methods in Pandas, it is somehow obvious we will have non-mathematical methods in this library as well, right? Non-mathematical methods are in fact methods that are specific to Pandas. Let's see some of these methods in action. First, we will create start date deposits and display its contents immediately. Then, we can call the head method on the same object to obtain the first 5 rows. See? You can think of this method as the head of our dataset. It is very widely used, particularly in professional environments where you'll be dealing with large datasets. In such situations, the head method provides a quick and efficient way for you to catch a glimpse of the structure of your dataset. Very intuitively, the method that will execute the opposite operation is called tail. That's why as we run the next cell, we will obtain the last 5 rows of our dataset. All right. As a Python programmer, you will be using methods all the time. That's why I'd advise you to complete all exercises attached to this lecture before you move on. This will reinforce what you have learned so far. In the next lesson, we'll show how to specify the way methods work. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.